Good morning, everyone. Well, it's about noon in Phoenix time. Not sure what it is all over the world now that the clocks have changed, but we always stay the same time. I just brought in my harvest today from my 40-inch by 40-inch container garden. I have my romaine lettuce, potatoes, and I just took the potatoes that were at the top. I didn't take anything down in the bag because I want to keep them for later, and they're still producing. And then I have tomatoes from two different bushes, a small bush and then the large tomatoes. And then my celery. I even brought in some celery. And don't forget to put your parsley in your dog bowl. It keeps it fresh and clean, and it gives your dog a wonderful breath. That's all for now. I also got strawberry, but I ate it. This is all I have for gardening. It's just this area. And I got my footstool out there because I'm working on it right now. So this is my only shelf, 40 by 40 inches. My homemade DIY fountains that I made, solar fountains. And now I'm growing squash and onions, and everything else is doing great. I still am fighting aphids on my strawberries and my pepper plants. I will let you know more about that. Have a great day.